What's up? It's Crypto Oracle, and today we're having a 1 minute update on what's going on with Bitcoin, blockchain education, and Crypto Oracle. So let's start with Bitcoin. Look at the chart right here. This is my current chart that I've been looking at for at least the past few days with Bitcoin. Things are still traveling a little bit bearish, but they're still within these support lines. So as long as it keeps bouncing off this support right here, this blue support line, one that goes, we're all good. The worst thing that could happen is it would possibly fall to this support line, which would make the price somewhere around 18,000. But I am expecting it to bounce off this 18,700 support line, and then continue up on this bullish channel. This might have to turn into a 2 minute update. I'm trying to do one, but talking too much. Next, blockchain education. Remember, January 1st, the price is going up, and it's going up a lot, okay? Because we can't handle so many members, at once. I mean, we can handle the members, but, we got to grow things slowly, and in order to kind of slow things down, we need to raise the price. Not entirely my decision, but I agree with it. So price will be raised to $297 a month after the coupon, after the discount. There will be a new sales video for that somewhere around January 1st. The first week of January, I'll be doing a cool video with my new car. So if you haven't seen the new car, I got one. Check it out on Twitter. Go to @OracleOfCrypto on Twitter to check out the picture of it. And you'll see the video anyways at the beginning of January. What else? Check out or subscribe. Check out Twitter. Check out Blockchain Education. It's the first link in the description. It's the best trading group out there. Don't even think about joining anybody else, honestly. I wouldn't personally. Have a Merry Christmas. Have a Happy Hanukkah or whatever your holiday is. Enjoy your holidays if you don't have one, or enjoy your winter if you don't have holidays. And thank you guys for watching. This has been the Crypto Oracle with a quick 2 minute update and 2 minutes.